Exercise 3A, page 96. Harvest time around the world. Autumn. Thanksgiving is a big festival in the USA and Canada to celebrate the harvest. Canadians celebrate it in October, and Americans in November. Some cities have parades, and people have family dinners. Turkey, sweet potatoes, and cranberry sauce are popular foods on this day. And there's always some sweet pumpkin pie for dessert. Winter. In northern India, they harvest their wheat in spring, which is in late February or early March. This is also the time for Holi, a Hindu harvest festival that lasts 5 days. People dress up and light fires. Farmers decorate their cows with flowers and let them run free in the streets. Spring. In late March or early April, some people in the Philippines celebrate the Banana Festival. This is a harvest festival about different varieties of bananas. During the festival, children dress up in banana costumes and dance in the streets. There is also a cookery competition, where cooks use only bananas to make their dishes. Summer. Chuseok is the Korean Harvest Moon Festival and an important holiday in Korea. The festival lasts for 3 days, usually sometime between August and October. Children dress up, and people make sweet rice cakes with fresh fruit. Exercise 7, page 97.
Going to the Winter Festival again this year?
Yes, I am. I'm looking forward to it already, and it's only September.
I remember you had such a good time last year. It's in October, isn't it?
It's actually at the beginning of November. I can't wait.
2. Where does Jack live?
Hi, aren't you Jack? Sarah's cousin from America?
Yes, I'm Jack, but I'm from Canada, actually.
Oh, do you remember me? We met last night at Sarah's party.
Of course, you're Lee from South Korea.
3. What does Amy want to eat?
Are you hungry, Amy? Would you like some biscuits?
No, thanks. I've just eaten some bread.
Oh, well, I'm going to have a banana.
Okay, I'll have one too.
Ice cream. Cake. Olive oil. Chocolate. Sugar. Jam. Milk. butter, sausages, eggs, chicken, cheese, meat, fish, cabbage, garlic, grapes, cherries, pineapple, orange juice, strawberries, onions, tomatoes, lemons, pasta, rice, bread, cereal. Exercise 2, page 98.
A carton of milk. A box of cereal. A bowl of rice. A glass of orange juice. A packet of pasta. A bottle of olive oil.
Exercise 3A, page 98.
How about pasta with chicken and tomato sauce for dinner tonight?
That sounds great. Have we got everything we need?
Let's look in the cupboards.
We've got some pasta and some tomato sauce.
Are there any onions?
We've got a lot of onions, but there isn't any garlic.
Is there any cheese?
There is some, but there isn't any chicken. And there isn't much olive oil.
Okay, let's make a shopping list then.
I can't wait for my birthday on Friday. I am so excited. Let's go over the party arrangements again, Anne.
Okay, well it starts at 8 o'clock and everyone is coming. So there'll be 15 people all together.
Have we got enough food and drinks?
I think so. We've got 3 large pizzas, 10 burgers, 1 packet of chocolate biscuits, and 2 bottles of lemonade.
That sounds okay. What about activities? What will we do?
Don't worry, I know lots of party games and there'll be dancing, of course.
Great, I can't wait. I can't wait for my birthday on Friday. I am so excited. Let's go over the party arrangements again, Anne.
Okay, well it starts at 8 o'clock and everyone is coming. So there'll be 15 people all together.
Have we got enough food and drinks?
I think so. We've got 3 large pizzas, 10 burgers, 1 packet of chocolate biscuits, and 2 bottles of lemonade.
That sounds okay. What about activities? What will we do?
Don't worry, I know lots of party games and there'll be dancing, of course.
Great, I can't wait.